Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making Andhra special recipe Poornam Boorelu. Chana dal 1 cup, water for soaking, soak for 1 hour, soaked well, drain off extra water, water 2 cups, pressure cook for 3 whistles. For outer covering, urad dal 3/4 cup, rice 1 cup, soak for 3 hours, drain off extra water, make fine paste. In a batter, sugar 1 tablespoon, salt half tablespoon, mix everything. Make thick paste like this. Thick batter is ready. Keep aside. Chana dal cooked well. Mash well. Jaggery 1 cup. Cook on medium heat. Mix everything. Starts to thicken. Ghee 1 tablespoon. Cook for 1 minute. Cool slightly. Poornam dip in batter. Coated completely. Deep fry in hot oil. Fry on medium heat. Fry uniformly. Golden brown and crispy. Drain off. Now it's ready to serve. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.